it's been like forever, but I had to come back with an amazing video. So Telfar dropped this new colorway called the Double Mint colorway, and I got it in the small shopping bag. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna do the unboxing for y'all, period. Okay. It literally just came in the mail. I didn't even know that they shipped it. I literally just walked, got my Telfar. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's here. Okay, so this is what it comes in. It comes in this bag, protection bag. So, it comes in another bag. I like these little, oh, you can see. I like these little bags that they come with. I actually got the chocolate brown one as well. I can show you that one too. But I wanted this one to be my first video because this is the brand new colorway that they have. And when I saw it, I don't really wear green, but I was like, it's cute. I need it or whatever. Here we go, the grand reveal. So here is what it looks like. It's really cute. Let me just, there we go. It's so cute, look at it. Anyways, I think this colorway is like really cute for the girls, really cute for the summertime, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm so happy that I got this color actually, because I was like, this is actually really cute. This is their Double Mint small shop bag, period. So it comes with the 2 long strands and then the 2 small handbag strands. And then on the inside, you know, it comes with this buttoned. It comes with the, you know, Telfar tag. And then on the inside, you know, it comes with the package salt, whatever you want to call it, because I don't know. Comes with that. And then I'm gonna show you guys the inside. It's not too big, but actually I really like the small ones because I don't like big purses for real. No. So this is the inside. It has like the Telfar sign in the inside. It's actually quite spacious. Let me show y'all. Let me put this thing on and stand up for y'all. Let me stand up for y'all. Who gonna check me with my Telfar on? Who gonna check me with my Telfar on? Not you. Period. This is so cute. Like, if you don't have a Telfar already, ketchup mustard, period. Let me show you my other one, and I'm gonna put my other stuff in this first, so y'all know. So here is my chocolate brown Telfar. I actually got these back-to-back weeks. Call me crazy if you want. I know I'm crazy. I just like to spend money. But I got these back-to-back weeks. This one is just literally the cutest. And of course they are the same size because they're both the small shopping bags. So, what do I have in my Telfar? I have my wallet with my cards. I have my vaccine card. Don't play with me. AirPods. Gum, of course, because you can't have your breath stink. And not one, but 2 lip glosses. I always need more than one. But all in all, really, I love Telfar bags. They're really so cute. I was wearing my brown one yesterday at the mall, and someone came up to me like, "Oh my gosh, I really like your Telfar." I'm like, "Me? Thank you." I'm like, "Oh my gosh, I actually just got the mint green one too." But yeah, this is actually really cute. I'm gonna have to find some stuff to wear with it. Of course, I want white or black. I want more stuff besides that because green, I don't really wear green, but this is cute, and I just had to drop that money on it. But yeah, all my stuff fits in my purse. My keys can fit as well, and it has a little button. One thing that I do wish that it had was a zipper. With the small one, I feel like it's easier with the button, but I think the big ones don't have zippers, so I wouldn't buy those. I'm sorry. The Telfars are so cute. And yeah, that's really it. Get you a Telfar if you don't have one. Get you a Telfar if you don't have one. Zoom in real quick. Get you a Telfar if you don't have one. Telfar, I'm sorry if I'm messing it up. If you don't have one, get one. Because it's the cutest little thing ever. Period. All right, y'all. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. New content coming soon because, you know, I haven't dropped videos in what, 6-7 months. I don't really know. But new content coming soon. For now, it's just me and my Telfar just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Everybody be blessed. Peace, love, and blessings.